I'm videotaping the high winds. We have a tornado danger zone in Indiana, Ohio, and in the south. See the trees blowing? The wind blew down my trash can, but guess what? It tore it up right there. The wind already tore up my trash can right there. It already tore it up. Just pray for us in Ohio that we don't get the judgment tornado. Look at the wind blowing the trees. The birds are not even out. It looks unusual. It looks unusual over there. The clouds look unusual. The sky looks unusual to me. I'm just videotaping the high winds. Look at the trees. Our light went out on the street when I was on my way to church this morning. Our street lights were struck. Lines were struck down by the wind earlier when I went to church this late this morning. Look at it. It's about 50, 60 miles an hour. Look at it. You hear it blowing? Look at it. Blowing up my ripped up flag. Sky is unusual. Please pray for us in Ohio. The winds are really high, making me nervous. I lived through a tornado in 2019, so I get a little traumatized with high winds. Please pray for God's mercy on us. Something looked different outside. And oh, look at the winds blowing in the trees there. There's been a lot of ambulances this afternoon too, but I didn't go outside or anything. Just hear it blowing. Look at it. Look at it. Look at the wires. The wind is blowing. Oh God, how long is it gonna last? It scares me. These are trees real high up. Oh, look, the branches, some of the branches look like they broke up over there. Those two branches sticking up, they look like they could have broke down already. It looks like it. Look how it's blowing. Look at the high winds. There's ambulances going on everywhere. This is looking different. I tried to watch a movie in history, but I can't do it with the wind blowing. Makes me nervous. It just don't look the same. It just don't look the same. The sky looks different. Ambulances going on. Now the birds are singing. The kids are outside riding their bikes. I'm not recording them, but they're riding their bikes. But these are high winds. High winds. This is in Dayton, Ohio. Look at it blow. Please pray for us. I'm kind of nervous. I don't know if I'll be able to sleep in the judgment potential judgment tornado watch. See the wind blow here? Lord have mercy. Look at it. Guess I'm gonna shut the video off, but please pray for us.